Okay, welcome to this third video, which is where some of your planning is going to happen. Okay, you're gonna have to plan. You can just jump right in, but I think some planning is some good here, some consideration to some ideas. Now, what I suggest you do is actually print your picture on a piece of paper or resketch it or something. But if you're artistic, you can have fun. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to sort of like pick areas like this area right here. I think this is an upside down parabola. Okay, I think that this would be a really, really cool negative x squared graph if I just modified it in some way. Okay, and then you could look here in this arch of the fish and think maybe that's a good square root x graph. Or potentially you could say the whole top of this fish all the way around and not stopping here. This might be an ellipse. Okay, you probably saw some of this stuff when you picked your drawing. Here, obviously, make a great circle. Okay, this piece here, I'll do in green. Maybe I'll do a line. Okay, and maybe for this piece here too. But you want to do some planning. Now, when you plan, you might need to refine your plan and go, I can't find a parabola that's working here. Okay, I can't find something that's a line that's going to work here well. Okay, you might have to split something into two pieces. Okay, so because it might not be a function like this piece here, you're going to have to get creative here because it's a very irregular shape. You might have to break it into other pieces. Okay, so it might be sort of a parabola up to here, and maybe it's a different parabola from here. Okay, you might actually, even though this is curved, be able to do this part with a line, and then I don't know, maybe we'll use the square root function here. So this could be like a root x, an x squared, a negative x squared of something, and then a y equals mx plus b. But you have to sort of, have a plan for it and what have you. Okay? So there you have that. So what did we really do in this section? Well, you were just thoughtful, and it's very hard for me to sort of tell you how to think. Okay? So you have to sort of battle plan around things and, try and get a large hunk of it planned out. You might have to plan all of it. Sometimes you're going to have to plan some of it, jump in and do some of it to see how the rest of it can be done to match, because a lot of times these things won't be perfect. So it might be an imperfection in one area that affects how you got to do the area that it depends on, or that depends on it, I should say. Okay, so that's a video here on a little bit about planning for your drawing.